Hi, I'm Gavin, Hometime's Business Development Manager in Sydney. Sydney remains one of Australia's strongest short-term rental markets, with year-round demand from both domestic and international travellers. Well-managed properties can deliver excellent results. In fact, Sydney properties achieve an average occupancy rate of above 75%, with an average daily rate of $220. Before joining Hometime, I worked in property and finance. That experience taught me the importance of understanding both the numbers and the goals behind every investment. When I speak with property owners, my focus is on providing clear advice and realistic expectations so you can make informed decisions about your property. At Hometime, we manage everything from bookings and pricing to cleaning, maintenance, and guest communications. Our team of local hosts are backed by a team of short-term rental specialists who work together to maximize your property's performance while making ownership completely hassle-free. If you'd like to understand what your Sydney property could be earning, I'd love to help. Get in touch and let's explore what's possible.